Beverly D'Angelo went on vacation again. Constance Zimmer got an Emmy nomination for a different type of Hollywood exec. Constance Zimmer got an Emmy nomination for a different type of Hollywood exec. Mazar branched out into cooking. Emmanuelle Chriqui found some super troopers. Emmanuelle Chriqui got into acting as a child and had plenty of credits before playing Sloane on Entourage. She's kept up a steady pace since the HBO series ended with a wide array of roles. She lent her voice to Cheetara in the 2011 Thundercats reboot, appeared on streaming series like Crackle's Cleaners and Hulu's Shut Eye, and played a role in Super Troopers 2. More Emmanuelle Chriqui, one of 49 the hottest Canadian actresses, 6 of 11 Orthodox Jewish celebrities, 14 of 74 celebrity Lakers fans. Perrey Reeves kept doing what Perrey Reeves does. Perrey Reeves had been working in television and film since 1989, but her longest recurring credits belong to Entourage. Aside from Mrs. Ari, Reeves has played one-off roles on more than a dozen series, including Grey's Anatomy, Castle, The X-Files, White Collar, and Hawaii Five-0. Rex Lee became a sitcom fixture. Rex Lee's performance as Lloyd in Entourage is likely his most well-known role, but he has kept himself busy since the show concluded in 2011. He remained on the airwaves with regular roles on a pair of sitcoms. Lee appeared in 44 episodes of Suburgatory from 2011-2013, and he followed that up by playing Elliot Park on Freeform's Young and Hungry from 2014-2018. Dillon embraced his inner Johnny drama. Since Entourage ended in 2011, Dillon found steady work in front of the camera. In an instance of life imitating art that his character drama could appreciate, he's stayed busy with recurring voice work on Comedy Central's Trick Tank and a recurring role on Blue Bloods. Ferrara lost a lot of weight. Piven was accused of sexual misconduct. Piven was accused of sexual misconduct. Connolly moved to the director's chair. Connolly moved to the director's chair. Adrian Grenier set out to save the world. Adrian Grenier set out to save the world.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.